Making the fair run, huh?
Yeah.
Here we go. Hell Week, let it begin. My favorite time of year. See what these boys are made of.
I'm Tyler Keyjack, and this is TK Pro Rodeo.
The wildest show in the West.
Yeah. Gotta slap them harder, Robert. You ain't getting through to the boys' heads thicker than that. Billy's made a pizza.
There you go, cameraman.
Langsburg.
I mean, look at all these happy people. About 3 hours west.
We're getting ready to start here. Fresh out our first one of the run. Oklahoma to Michigan. Here for 8 days, 6 performances. Gonna be a good time.
Rodeoing, baby.
Stop 1 of 6 in just 8 days landed in Sandusky, Michigan. The TK Pro Rodeo crew rolled in the night before with less than 24 hours to work. The arena will be built. The stock will be loaded. And by tomorrow night, the crew will be ready to entertain a sold-out crowd for the very first performance of the week. It's relentless work, and nobody does it better than TK Pro Rodeo.
We just measured it to find the center of the whole arena, and now we're just gonna start setting up for the rodeo.
All right, guys, we're here on a racetrack. Traditionally, this is used for tractor pulls, truck pulls, demo derby, dirt bikes, things of that nature. But 1 or 2 days during fair week, they bring in the rodeo. So we're in the early stages of it right now. We're between these concrete pillars right here. We've got it measured off and right to the dead center. We've got our Texas Precious Metals out gate right dead nuts of the track. We're lined up with the first set of bleachers on either side. We've got the ground all leveled. The steel is coming together. We've got our production crew working on early signage and flags. From here, we're gonna just continue to build. So with these fair rodeos, there's a lot more that goes into them than just a normal rodeo. I mean, we come up here with multiple semis, multiple goosenecks. We actually have 3 full crews working for us full time right now. So we have the production crew that's handling signage, tack, equipment, logistics, little stuff, maintenance, repairs. We have the steel crew that's moving heavy steel, panels, gates, chutes off of our arena trailer, and then back at stock housing is what we call, it's where our livestock layover is. We've got guys taking care of all of the livestock that we've brought up here for the next 10 or 12 days to be taken care of. So every day, our livestock crew is gonna receive a list of what bulls and horses go that day. They're gonna bring them from the ranch to the rodeo, and then after the rodeo, they take them back, let them rest, and bring in a fresh set, so that way we're not just wearing out the same stock. So a lot of moving pieces this week, and everybody that's here has a very critical role.
All right, we should be back to the U-strap. Watch your fingers, boys. It's about to fall. Go ahead, you can sit. I'm gonna take it.
Okay, guys, so we've got these 10-foot Badlands bow gates we're pulling off the trailer. We got Pepper in the machine here. Everything is put on this truck and stacked within, I mean, we're talking centimeters. If one thing is not on there just right, they won't all go back on. Everything goes on the truck one way, everything comes off the truck one way. And by the way, did I mention, this is extremely dangerous.
Not guarantee your safety in the pits, sir.
And it's a big week ahead for us. It's pretty sentimental. This is where I grew up. A lot of these rodeos were some of the first rodeos I ever competed at. And guess what? They've hired TK Pro Rodeo to come in and do a good job. It's gonna be a long week. Can't can't wait to take you on the journey.